Good morning, Life Science class. These are the notes for the 20A section of our chapter. So far we've been looking at all of the 11 systems. We started with the integumentary, then the skeletal and muscle system. Those were all discussed in chapter 19. Now we're going to move on in chapter 20 to talk about the circulatory, the immune, and the excretory. And so in our notes here and in this 20A section, they talk to us about our body as being in balance, a balancing act, right? The internal balance of a living organism is called homeostasis, staying the same. It's in reference to the fact that the body makes constant adjustments in response to its environment, right? So in order to keep our body at the proper temperature, we have to make adjustments to be able to do things to heat it up or do things to cool it off. You are the healthiest when your body maintains your proper homeostasis, right? Your circulatory system is going to be one of those systems. The reason that we're talking about balance in this chapter is because God has provided us with a proper circulatory system. It helps us to maintain homeostasis. We have a heart, we have veins and arteries, we have our blood that are able to transport substances that are going to help us to be able to stay balanced. They also remove waste so that we don't have waste build up in the body. Those systems do not work alone, right? Our body is going to be at balance because all of our systems are working properly together as a team, right? The second system that we're going to talk about is in this chapter, chapter 20, would be our defense system, right? The system, our immune system, is going to need to help protect us from those pathogens, those foreign substances. This is non-specific because it could happen whether you get a sliver in your finger or whether you get cold germs on your skin, right? Your immune system is going to protect you from those things. The third system we'll talk about in this chapter is our excretory. That's the system that's going to filter and remove waste from our blood. So we'll focus on each of those three systems as we're working our way through chapter 20. Thanks.